In this video, we're talking about components of a proper warm-up. Hey guys, Jeremiah Stewart here, kinesiologist, and all that really means is that I use science to maximize your fitness results. Today, we're talking about components of a proper warm-up, so let's get to it. A general warm-up period may consist of 5 to 10 minutes of slow activity, such as jogging or skipping. At the same time, low-intensity, activity-specific actions such as squats, lunges, or even dribbling a soccer ball can be productive at this time. This provides you with a very sport-specific general warm-up that aids in skill development and raises body temperature. The aim of this period is to increase heart rate, blood flow, deep muscle temperature, respiration rate, perspiration, and to decrease the viscosity of your joint fluids. A specific warm-up period incorporates movements similar to the movements of your sport or your physical activity. It involves 8 to 12 minutes of dynamic stretching, focusing on movements that work through the range of motion required for your activity, such as the walking knee lift. This is followed by sport-specific movements of increasing intensity, such as sprints, bounding activities, or jumping. The more power necessary for your activity or sport, the more important your warm-up becomes. High-intensity dynamic exercises can facilitate subsequent performance. This phase should also include a rehearsal of your skill or movement to be performed. The warm-up should progress gradually and provide sufficient intensity to increase muscle and core temperatures without causing fatigue or reducing energy stores. Hey guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't seen any of our other videos, make sure you check those out. And if you don't want to miss another rep, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom of this video. And until next time, good luck on your fitness journey. We believe in you. We love you. God bless.